I'm back. Styles are a Microsoft Word feature, right? Well, you might be surprised to learn that Microsoft Excel uses style too, although the data structure doesn't require the same kind of robust options. Excel styles are more comfortable to use than Word. If you are not using them because you think they are complicated, you might want to consider. Name styles are a set of predefined formatting options to a cellular range. A style can change the look of a number, the alignment, the background color, the borders, or the font. The good thing is that we can edit the style and change whatever we want. For example, the font size and all cells with a particular style shift automatically. You can find many predefined styles from the Home tab in Styles group. To apply a style, the first step is to highlight the style. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow, then Ctrl plus Shift plus right arrow, and then click the style you want. The preview helps you to choose the style you prefer. Let's pick the light blue row. To change an existing style, activate the Style Gallery. Right-click on the style you want to modify and choose Modify from the shortcut menu. The Style dialog box opens with the current setting. For the normal style, click the Format button and then the Font tab and choose the font and size you want as the default. For this example, I will select the Book Antiqua font and 14 as a font size. Press OK and OK again. The format of the table has been changed. You can also create your style with your formatting options. To create a new style, first select the cell, for example A1, and apply the formatting you like. Yellow as a fill color and red text. Then activate the Style Gallery and choose New Style. The Style dialog box opens. Type a new style name in the Style Name box, for example, My Style, and leave all check boxes checked. Click OK and close the dialog box. Your new style is now available in the Style Gallery. Notice that custom styles are available only in the workbook in which they are created. If you want the style you made to be applied to all workbooks, then you have to use the Merge Style option from the Style Gallery. The requirement is both workbooks must be open, the one that contains the new style, and the workbook you want to merge style into. I hope you understood how to modify and create your own style. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.